Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how to do a fall coffee station. So if you'd like to know how I achieved this and what I use, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I did was went ahead and wiped down the side that I was going to set up the coffee station at. And then I also wiped down my Keurig. So I really wanted to cover that outlet that we have on our backsplash. We hardly use it, so I thought that this Coffee Anyone sign would be perfect. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby and all I did was put some command strips and then tape that onto the backsplash. So of course I had to run to Dollar Tree and pick up some glass containers for the sugar, the creamer, and the little vase that I wanted. And they had tons of different styles and variety of different glass containers. So if you guys are in the hunt for those, Dollar Tree is your place. So with my label maker, I went ahead and made these labels that I thought would just give the containers an extra little added touch. And then also from the Dollar Tree, I picked up these cute floral stems that I thought would look perfect at the top of the coffee station. And then in the other glass container, I went ahead and added some coffee stir sticks. So on one of my recent videos, I made this 2-tier tray, and I thought it would be perfect to start adding everything onto there and putting it next to the Keurig machine. And then I just started playing around with everything till I was happy with how everything was placed together. Since I make myself and my husband coffee every morning, I thought that I would go ahead and add these disposable coffee cups also to the station. And of course, what's fall without some pumpkins? And there you go. There is my fall coffee station. I love how everything turned out and how everything came together and how everything is easily accessible for anyone that wants to make themselves a cup of coffee. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below what you guys think and what is your necessity for a great cup of coffee. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.